You know, this is truly one of the most pristine areas in the country as far as backcountry and wilderness. Where you really want to go to is a place like the Golden Trail Wilderness and see the areas that the Golden Trail reside in.
Got him.
The fact that TU is doing everything it possibly can to protect a species that is as amazing and as picturesque as the golden trout as well is really what I think everybody should really kind of look towards.